Hello and welcome to Health and Fitness Guide. In this video, we'll be focusing on chest workouts for a bigger chest. Having a bigger chest not only looks impressive but it also plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy body posture. We will tell you 5 effective chest exercises to grow a massive chest. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then subscribe to it for more videos. So, let's get started. Exercise 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are a classic and effective chest workout that works for everyone, from beginners to advanced athletes. Start by getting into a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Then, lower your chest towards the ground, keeping your elbows tucked in, and push back up. Do this exercise for 3 sets of 20 to 25 reps. Exercise 2. Bench press. The bench press is a popular exercise that helps in building a strong and massive chest. Lie flat on a bench with your feet firmly on the ground, grip the bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower the bar towards your chest and push it back up. Do this exercise for 3 sets of 12 reps. Exercise 3. Dumbbell Fly. Dumbbell fly are great for isolating the chest muscles and building a well-defined chest. Lie flat on a bench with your feet firmly on the ground, hold a dumbbell in each hand, and extend your arms above your chest. Lower your arms towards the sides of your body, keeping your elbows slightly bent, and then bring them back up. Do this exercise for 3 sets of 12 reps. Exercise 4. Cable crossovers. Cable crossovers are an effective exercise that targets the upper chest muscles. Set the cable pulleys to a high position, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and hold the handles with your palms facing down. Bring your hands down towards your waist, keeping your arms slightly bent, and then bring them back up. Do this exercise for 3 sets of 12 reps. Exercise 5. Incline dumbbell press. The incline dumbbell press targets the upper chest muscles and is great for building a well-defined chest. Lie down on an incline bench with your feet firmly on the ground, hold a dumbbell in each hand, and extend your arms above your chest. Lower the dumbbells towards your shoulders, keeping your elbows tucked in, and push them back up. Incorporating these exercises into your chest workout routine will help you build a bigger and stronger chest. Remember to focus on proper form, lift weights that challenge you, and gradually increase your weight as you progress. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Health and Fitness Guide for more fitness tips and workout videos.